So you just got your Onkyo RZ30, RZ50, RZ70, or you just got your Pioneer LX305, LX505, or LX805. As you know, DTS IMAX Enhanced soundtrack is very, very few and far in between. So this is the trick to make all DTS soundtrack into IMAX Enhanced DTS. The tips and tricks that makes your receiver sound even more preferable. Using your remote, go to Setup, and then go all the way down to Audio Adjust. From there, go to DTS/IMAX, press Enter, and go to IMAX mode, and change it from auto to on. This way, when the receiver receives a DTS signal, everything will be converted to IMAX Enhanced sound, which I find to be more preferable to my taste. So, do you like IMAX Enhanced sound? Share your thoughts in the comments down below. Of course, with the regular housekeeping, click like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.